Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit, and today's video is going to be a nail supply haul. It's one of many to come, so I figured I'd break this up into a few videos. So the first time you'll see this video is from my first trip. So I will show you guys what I have. And so if you don't know, I'm on this whole journey about doing nails. So these are actually my Christmas nails. It's time for a fill-in, so you guys will be seeing me do that in another video shortly. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I happened to find a different nail supply, like almost beauty supply store, nail supply store. I happened to find one of those actually across the way here in Chicago, and so I'm going to show you what I got. So first thing that I did get is the nail trainer. So that's basically what I got, so that way I could practice on the practice hand. And it does come with the nail tips. Includes 100 pieces of nail tips. So I will do a separate video basically showing and kind of providing a little bit of detail. Also, if you guys are interested in the price, I actually paid $25 for this nail trainer. So I got that. And then also I got, of course, the basics. So I got Young Nails nail powder. So I got that. And I also have the Young Nails monomer. So this is the brand that I'm going to be using on myself and on my future clients. So that's what I got here, and I believe this was 40 bucks, and then the monomer was 55, I believe. So if not, I'll try to link everything down below. Oh, actually, here's my receipt. So let's see here. Yep. So the liquid was actually 45, and the clear was 60. So there's my receipt. So I did get that. And also I'm going to be doing a nail organization video for you guys. In my next bag, I got some nail brushes, nail art brushes here. So as you can see, it has a fan, some smaller brushes, design brushes, striping brushes, things like that. So I have that. And I actually bought a bunch of nail files. This was, I believe, $11. So this is a 100 grit nail file. So I got those. Seems like maybe at least maybe 30 in here. So for 11 bucks, can't beat that. I also got some nail tips. They came in these little packages. So what it does is it tells you which number you got here. So number 8. And these are D&D Naturals. So I think these were like either 25 cents or 15 cents per package. So I got 2 of each. So 2 of each number. Got those. Get the rest of these after that. Also, I got a nail brush in pink. That way you can brush off any of the dirt and dust. Get that. I also got some nail swatches, so that way I can swatch colors of gel nail polish or acrylic nail polish. You just put it on the inside of here, and then it has the little hoop to clip everything together, just like you would go to the nail salon. I think I got 2 of those. I might have got 1. There's some more nail tips. I got 2 brushes, so that way you can also brush out any of the dust from the nails. And I got some rhinestones, but you can call these like AB crystals. So they're in the clear. And I got these. And I believe this was 300 to 500 crystals. I'm not really sure how many came in them, but these are the regular crystals. And actually, I take that back. These are not the AB crystals. These are just regular rhinestones, and these were $5. So, got those. And also what's in this bag is I got some D&D nail polishes that I'm going to be doing a swatch for you guys. So this is my first color right here, and this one is in pink bubblegum. So it's the regular polish and then the gel polish, and these were $6. So I thought that was a really good deal, 3 for this and 3 for that one. And then here is another one called Copen Blue. Hope you guys can see that. Again, these were $6. Then this next one that I got is lead gray. So I got that one. It's like a gray kind of mauve color. This next one is called Eggshell, which is a nude from D&D. And again, I will be doing swatches. This one I got is called Earth Day, which is like a navy blue, even though it was probably looking a little purple on camera. And then this next one that I got is Caribbean Island. I think this is Caribbean Island. It's a teal color. Again, it looks darker in person. Also, I have a white chalk, which is just a regular white. And I have a lava red. So those were the only colors that I got this time around, but of course when I go back again I'll be getting more colors. So I got those. And then not only that, I got a matte top coat. I got 2 matte top coats here. And then I got 2 gel base coats here. And also got the top gel for the gel. Okay. So those all came in this box here. That's just how they packaged it for me. So in my next bag, I have a cuticle pusher. That's what I got here, and I believe this was $3. And then here are my AB crystals. So these are the AB crystals, I'm sorry. And this is the packaging that they come in. So I have those. And then I got some soap off dishes for acrylic. So basically this lid just pops up. You put hot water in the bottom here, and then you put the acetone right where the fingers go. So it kind of heats up the acrylic to make it easier for the acrylic to come off. So I got 2 of those. And I got a tip organizer so that way I can put my tips in here. So I also got that. And then, let's open this bag because I can't get the knot out. I got some buffing blocks for all of my clients because you want to make sure that you use, for sanitary purposes, you want to make sure that you use a buffing block for each client. So these were, I think, 10 cents a piece. So yeah, I got a nice little deal here, right? So that's that. I got me a acrylic brush and a number 12, which is a Sophia Kalinsky. And I will go in more details with that. I got some dotting tools, which were $1. I got some nippers right here. also got a cleanup brush, but I also bought one at the Dollar Tree, so now I have 3. And then it also has a dotting tool at the end. And this is a rhinestone picker. So I got that. I believe this was $3. I got some nail clippers. I got 2 of the regular ones. And I got 2 of the straight edge. So that way when I'm doing coffin nails or stilettos, it'll be easier to clip it instead of it having a curve in the inside. So I think I got two of each. Then I got a tip clipper. So that way you can clip off the tip cutter. You can do it, cut them off. I got that in black. And that's pretty much that I got on this round for the beauty supply store. Not beauty supply, nail supply store. So that is it. These are so pretty, guys. Look at that. I cannot wait to use these. So yes, this is everything that I got. I will try to leave prices down below based upon my receipts. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. This is just part 1 of more to come. Next video will kind of be like a mini storage and organization video, and then I'll kind of show you guys how I organize and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what type of videos you want to see down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.